What's up, everybody? It's your girl Jessica, the girl with the pretty long hair. How you guys doing? So today, before we get started with this video, I want you guys to like this video, comment on it, subscribe. Also, click the little notification bell next to the subscribe button, and you'll be notified for more of my videos. So as you guys can see, this is my very first voiceover, so bear with me. So yeah, so as we're getting started with this video. So the first thing you want to do with this haircut, I want you guys to make sure you always pick the hair out or either brush the hair. You don't want to start the haircut on a messy canvas. So that's what we're going to do right now. We're going to pick the hair out and also brush the hair to separate the hair. Because we're not cutting anything on the top. All I'm going to do is just do a nice little taper on the sides and in the back, and do a nice lineup. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do with this video. I want you guys to continue to watch as we get started. So right here, I'm just brushing the hair, separating the hair from the top, because we are not cutting anything off the top. He's growing his hair out, so right now I'm going to use my duck clip. I didn't really necessarily need it, but I just wanted to use it to get the hair out of my way, so I won't cut anything from the top. Okay, here you guys right here. I have my cordless Babbless Rose Gold FX trimmer. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to set in my first guideline, which is the ball line. See, I'm doing it in like a rainbow shape, so you want to keep it in that curve, like to give, you know, the taper some kind of effect or whatever. So that's the first guideline we're going to do. We're going to ball it all the way out. I'm sorry if I keep messing with the camera. I'm trying to get it together. But, yeah, we're working on it. Okay, so right here I have my lever all the way open, my Babbless Rose Gold FX skeleton clippers, not the trimmers, I'm sorry. So what I'm going to go in at about half of an inch, not a full inch, but about half of an inch. And you're going to keep going into that rainbow-like shape. So you want to make sure you go over it multiple times so you get the hair all the same length. And make sure as you cutting the hair, make sure you also brush the hair as you go. So third, whatever. I'm gonna take my one guard all the way open, and I'm going to go in that same direction. So it's not necessarily a guideline. It's just to clean up their hair, clean up all the bulk around it. what I like to do sometimes, I like to close my lever and turn the clipper downward, going with the grain. So I like to go downward with the grain so it can be it won't look so bulky and uneven. So that's what I'm doing right here. Then I'm going to take my 0 guard with the lever all the way closed. What you're gonna do is, you see that light, that second guideline, you want to take it out using your corners only. Just kind of like go under the line and flick into it. Just remember, as you going up into your fade or your taper, you want to make sure you adjust your lever on the clipper as you going up into the fade. You see how I'm adjusting my lever. And I'm also using my corners. It might look like I'm not using them, but I'm most definitely using my corners. So right here I'm kind of like doing some detail work with my lever all the way open with no guard. Sometimes the 0 guard gets it out, but sometimes it doesn't. So I like to go back over it with the corner of the blade of the clipper and just kind of like go in and get some of that bulk out that I couldn't get out with the 0 guard closed. So what I do is I close my lever halfway and I go to clear out that ball line. Just all it necessarily does is just soften up that line so it'll be easier when you go back over it with the clipper all the way closed. The lever all the way closed, I'm sorry. So it'll be much easier. See how I'm using my corners? And I'm also adjusting my lever as I'm going up into the fade. So right here I have my trimmers, so I'm going over it, back over it, because the guard with the lever all the way closed sometimes doesn't get it all the way out. So I just like to go back over it with the trimmers, and then it'll get the line out. Most definitely. So right here, I'm just going over it, doing some detail work. You want to always make sure you go back and over your fade or your taper, and make sure you do some detail work and get some bulk out or whatever you have to do to make the cut come out 10 times better. I'm just doing some detail work, that's it. Using my corners as much as I can. So as far as the back goes, I kind of speeded up the process because it's the exact same step as it is on the side and on the back. So I speed this process up. Yeah. As far as the side, it's the exact same step. So I didn't necessarily need to show you guys, step by step on how to use the side. I showed you the other side. So, and it was a longer process on, the sides, and make sure I get every step or whatever. So yeah, this side is also speeded. So what I like to do with the front hairline, I like to use my number 1 guard closed, and I just go with the grain, with turning the clipper downward with the grain, and just kind of take away some of that bulk in the front, so it'll be easier, and the lineup will come out more crisp and clean. So I'll just go over it, make sure I get it all even in the same length. I like to get some holding spray or some kind of sprit or whatever, and spray it on the hairline, and get the blow dryer on cool and go over it and brush it, and it'll dry it up, and you'll come out with a more clean, crisp, or you get that little ash mark that some people like. So I just go over it with the blow dryer to hold it in place. Okay, right here you guys see me doing back over the taper. I'm just doing some detail work, that is all. So right here I'm just gonna saturate his hair with some water, and it's just on the water, that's all it really is. And I'm going to use my curl sponge and go over it with the curl sponge. Okay, so I'm using some Cream of Nature detangling leave-in conditioner. I really love this product. It actually, you just spray some on there on your hair and massage it in there, and it will definitely be easier for you to detangle your hair. It's a really good product. I like to use it on all my clients, most of my clients. So I just massage it in there, get it all, just saturate it all in the hair, and then I'll comb it or pick the hair out, and it'll be easier to comb. Okay, guys, this is the cut. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really appreciate all the love and support. Thank you guys so much for giving my channel to over 400 subs. I really appreciate it. We're on the road to 500. We're going to keep going from there. Yeah. Comment down below if you guys think I should continue doing voiceover. This is my first one. Let me know how did I do. What's up, everybody? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for getting my other video, I think my first hair tutorial video to 15K. I really appreciate all the love and support that you guys have shown me, and continue subscribing to my channel, and also click the little notification bell. We're on the road to 400 subs, so yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I want you guys to like this video, comment on it, subscribe. Also, click the little notification bell next to the subscribe button, and you'll be notified for more videos. You want to say bye, BJ? Oh, my nephew want to be in the video. He said bye. Tell him how you like to cut. Alright, you guys. It's your girl Jessica, the girl with the pretty long hair.